Good afternoon, guys. Okay, sorry for the delay. Work has been flat out and I've been meaning to put on a video for my 480 CD for some time, and I'm a little bit torn as to whether or not I was going to sell it, because one, they're spectacular saws. My favourite era of saw, the 480s, a bit like the 3/8 Super in the back. Late 70s, I think 78 or 77, or was that the 380? Up to the very beginning of the early 80s, and the 038 was introduced in 1980, and I think these stopped in about 82 or 83. So 77 cc's, makes around 4 3/4 horsepower or 4.6 or around that number. And so this one's running a genuine SNB 18-inch bar. Apparently can run up to some say up to a 30-inch bar, but I've only ever run one up to 26, and it's running a nearly new Oregon full chisel chain, which was professionally sharpened not long ago. So okay, I'll show you what she's like running. She's a monster. Some like the Johnson 80. These are some of my favourite saws ever to cut with. They almost sound like old German boxer engines. So obviously Swedish saw, Norwegian bar. Okay, chain brake. Got a selection of wood. I have some fir tree, some beech, some ash. So I'll do a couple of cuts and hopefully suitable for one of you guys out there. Fabulous compression, everything working, kill switch, choke, etc. Had a very recent air filter as well, genuine. Fabulous. Okay guys, so I hope that does that some type of justice. She's just a beautiful machine to use and cut with, annihilates the wood. I'll quickly show her on a restart, and hopefully that'll be suitable for one of you guys out there. So I was a little bit torn, I mentioned, about selling, and only because, again, I've been offered a very early Clinton chainsaw, so it's a 5, the variation's a 5A, unusual. It's an early 1950s saw, just under the 100cc mark, and I've wanted one for a long time, so I put an offer in and it looks like it's been accepted, and so hence I'm going to sell a couple of other saws now to help pay for that one. So okay, I'll show her on a restart. Kill switch, great compression. Okay guys, many thanks for watching. That's my Husky 480 CD up on eBay. Any questions, please just ask. Anybody want to take a look, you're more than welcome. Chain is evidently still very sharp. Felling spike present. No breaks around the chassis other than a tiny little crack on the top cover here. Bye for now.